My name is Jason Cormier. I'm from Lafayette, Louisiana, and I am back for level 2 now. I was one of the career change people here. I sold tractors and boats for several years before this. I got into FST. The whole way it came about is that I'm a CrossFit coach also, and I was having trouble with my hip, and chiropractors weren't getting in, physical therapy wasn't getting it, and I saw on Instagram there was another level 3 practitioner in the area, and she was kind of blasting her Instagram to the CrossFit gyms, and I saw what she was saying, and I was like, let me try it. Nothing else was working, so I went to see her and got on her table, and I just started rapid firing questions to her. I was like, is this new? She's like, no, it's been around, 25 years. But after, I got home with a better hip, I told my wife, I've got to do this. And that was it. That was November of 2020. As soon as I got back from level 1, I booked level 2, for this specific time. But it has just been amazing. It has been so rewarding. Part of the reason I wanted to change was to feel like I was actually making a difference in the world. Just amazing.